Hi everyone, Lars of Dog, all things electric and fish here. I'm doing the video on how I got from 0 views to 500 from 7 days, 7 to 10 days, but roughly around about the 7 mark, around about the 7 to 10 mark. What I tell you is what hardware I used, what software, and a couple of things I reviewed. So let's dive in. First, I was given a phone off my mum. It was a Hawaii P30. I got myself one of them, so she gave me that. And I opened a YouTube channel. Didn't know what I was really going to do with that. I'm still kind of finding my feet still. But that's what I did. So, my Gmail account, that's linked to your YouTube channel. And brief, sorry. That's linked to your YouTube channel, your Gmail account. I'm trying to monetize it. I upload shorts and I upload reviews and stuff like that, and then I'm using this channel just now to learn how to grow on YouTube. Me and my son, kid Leon, have been going out walks and things. I've taken him to school. We went into Glasgow City Centre. Things like that. I've been in with my friend. He didn't really see that person, but that's what I've been doing. So let's get to what I used. So it was a Hawaii P30 phone. I don't know. I don't know if a lot of you can remember, but the new Hawaii P30s. I don't know if it's changed. That you couldn't get anything that was Google related through Donald Trump and stuff like that. And I'm not slating Donald Trump, or really I'm not. It's just something that happened, or I might be misinformed, but I'm sure it was like that. But Hawaii P30, you can still use Google products and things like that, and they're really good phones. This is what I'm using just now with a ring light. So, Hawaii P30. Next, I've got yeah, I've got a Hawaii P30. Sorry, my son's sitting over there giggling. You're putting me off. An Asus laptop. Yeah, enough. I'm not too tech savvy for this stuff, but I just gave it a go. Now, the next thing that I got was an app called Kava. I needed that for my thumbnails, so I did. It's really good. They give you a sign up period to choose things free on it. You can choose your thumbnails, the logos, the elements. I ended up opting for the better one, so check it out, Kava. The next one was Video IQ. I'm kind of jumping a wee bit forward here, but between that and I done a review on a Schmuck e-vape, also done one on a crystal vape. The reason I'm doing these is because it was easy to come by. Nobody wants to do reviews on cigarettes, they don't. And I don't think there's that many people have died with vapes, right? I don't know everything, so I don't really know, but I know a lot of people have died with cigarettes. So I'd say these are the healthier option. So back to Video IQ. Video IQ is a AI platform. It helps you and stuff like that. I was looking at videos from Robert Benjamin. Big shout out to Robert Benjamin, peace out. But sorry. Robert Benjamin. So I got Video IQ. I signed up that for it only cost around about $1. I don't know what that is in British pounds or Canadian or whatever, but it's $1 for 30 days. I've opted into the next one. You get coached and things like that. And that's about £300 for the year. and it gives you it gives me titles I can use, it gives me descriptions that I can use, and it gives me keyword searches. Also, what I got for my Hawaii P30, the Hawaii P30 was, I got a thing, I just got this today actually. It's called Dark GPT. That is an AI, but on Telegram. I found that through TikTok. Again, that only cost $1. And I looked at that to see, just ask you questions basically. So one thing I'm kind of struggling with is where to put my hashtags. I'm the kind of person, I need to be shown physically. Now the AI thing's great, with Video IQ is great with Robert Benjamin and watching his videos, and he's making it, you need to pick the right niche, and I'm just understanding what a niche is, and then you need to pick the right, put your hashtags in. I'm still trying to understand this, so you know what I'm trying to get at is, this is a learning curve, yeah, it's in a learning curve, and I'm enjoying it. One of the things that the AI robot says that, I was asking it how to get like 250,000 subscribers and 1,000,000 views, 24. It basically tells you there's no guarantee in getting that, but it gives you steps to do it, and you can get in all different types of GPT AIs on Play Store. This is one of the cheaper ones, so it is. I don't know how long the subscription lasts for $1. I know that other ones are dearer, but I've been looking at other Printful as well. You can get Printful for your merchandise. I've been looking into that. Now my channel's not monetized yet. Neither it is. I need my subscription and my views to go up to get that. So apart from that, that's basically it. That's what I did. I just keep uploading content every day. And one of the videos that I seen from, I'm sure it was Robert Benjamin or someone else, but I'm sure it was Robert Benjamin, that don't take, if I'm going to tell you something, look at the New Year's Eve video on my YouTube channel, and it's me and Leon Kid going into Glasgow City Centre. It's quite funny. I'm not going to go on about it going on a Ferris wheel and stuff, but the point is, it's copyright. You can get copyright. I didn't know how easy it was to get copyrighted for something, right? And you can put all this hard work in, and something really daft you can get you can get a strike against your YouTube account, and you don't want that. I know I don't want that. So basically, me and Leon Kid were walking past a stall just when we were coming up to the Ferris wheel, and at the time I was unaware that Ed Sheeran music was playing in the background. And it was a good video, we uploaded, we had fun, and just after the New Year bells, maybe a wee bit longer, but maybe half an hour after the bells, I looked at the analyse part on the YouTube account, and it was telling me that there's managed videos on my YouTube account, and it was telling me that there was a copyright sign, and I looked at it, and it was because, again, Ed Sheeran was playing in the background. It actually shows you the bit where it was playing, and I never put that on. I was just on in the background as we were walking by. That's how easy it is to hang me with copyright, but I'm able to leave that video up. I'm not taking a chance or anything. I looked at it and it says this is copyright, but this producer's or person's okay with it be getting it used on YouTube. Thank God. But I'm trying to make this work. So if you all like, subscribe, share, ring that bell as well. This is the video for 0 views to 500 in 7 to 10 days. Lazar Doggy Dog, all things electric. Peace out.